All right, real quick, I just want to make a video about battery selection for the DL4s because those who go to the website and do a search for DL4 battery, you'll notice that two options come up and really they look very, very similar. This is one of them and this is the other, and they're both the same price, but you see how this one says 2015 DL4 models only. As much as, I think this is helpful for giving someone a ballpark idea, based on when they bought their DL4, the most important part is this. You see here where it's got this serial number range? That's where you want to look. You want to look on your DL4. That's the serial number for your DL4. And as mentioned here, you'll see this. It says for these batteries starting with DL4A. So basically, if your DL4 serial number is DL4A whichever, it needs this battery, the one that is specified for 2015 models only. If it starts with DL4B, then if it is amongst the first 54 that came out, 0001 to 0054, then it also needs this 2015 DL4 battery only. All others, and I can just tell you based on sales and service, the majority don't need this battery. The majority, especially if you've bought it in recent years, this would be the battery, just the traditional battery for Dermalite DL4. No indication, no description on here that it is for 2015 models only. And also here, you'll see just a clarification about as long as your serial number is this or above, then you're good. This is the traditional DL4 battery is what you need. All right, but any questions you have, let us know. Thanks.